Hello there. Installing cryptocurrency wallet is really easy. You just find it in the App Store like you would with any other application and install it. When you first fire it up, you will be greeted with several options. Let's pick Create Account. Accept the privacy agreement and name your wallet. Let's set a very good password. It's a bank after all. Repeat the password and done. Your wallet is created. Then you get some really important information about your private key, encrypted in mnemonic phrase. Store that phrase really well on a piece of paper preferably, and don't ever show it to anyone. The wallet will ask you to confirm the backed up mnemonic to make sure you backed it up properly. But you can skip that and that's it. Your wallet is created. Most wallets have very similar process, so enjoy the world of cryptocurrency. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency the fun way, check out this game. You can win a car if you are watching before 2nd of September. Have fun and be careful.